My child, in the pursuit of success and wealth, it is valuable to explore the intersection of neuroscience and personal development. By understanding the science-based facts behind human cognition and behavior, we can unlock the potential to train our minds for excellence. This approach allows us to optimize our mindset and actions, paving the way to become the absolute best versions of ourselves in various domains of life. Drawing from neuroscience, I will share 7 key points on how to cultivate success and wealth while embodying qualities such as being rich, careful, humble, precise, protecting, and creative. These insights will provide practical strategies to help individuals harness their cognitive abilities and achieve greatness in their endeavors. Here we go. To achieve success and wealth, neuroscience offers insights on how to train our minds effectively. Number 1. Set clear goals. The brain thrives on clear goals. By defining specific and measurable objectives, we activate the brain's reward system, which releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with motivation and focus. Setting clear goals helps direct our efforts and keeps us on track towards success. Number 2, develop a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset, a concept popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, is crucial for success. Believing that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and effort allows us to overcome challenges, embrace learning opportunities, and continuously improve ourselves. Number 3, cultivate discipline and focus. The brain can be trained to enhance discipline and focus through regular practice. Techniques such as meditation, mindfulness, and cognitive training exercises strengthen neural pathways associated with attention and self-control. Number 4, embrace continuous learning. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to recognize and form new neural connections, highlights the importance of lifelong learning. Engaging in intellectually stimulating activities, acquiring new knowledge, and seeking diverse perspectives keep the brain agile and adaptable, enabling us to make informed decisions and remain competitive. Number 5, harness creativity and innovation. The brain's creativity centers can be stimulated through techniques like brainstorming, problem-solving exercises, and exposure to new experiences. By fostering a creative mindset, we can generate innovative ideas, adapt to changing circumstances, and find unique solutions to problems. Number 6, manage risk and reward. The brain's reward system responds to both tangible and intangible rewards. It is essential to understand the neurobiology of risk and reward and make informed decisions. By evaluating potential risks, assessing rewards, and finding a balance between calculated risks and caution, we can make strategic choices that propel us towards success. Number 7, practice emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing our emotions is crucial for personal and professional success. Emotional intelligence involves recognizing and regulating our emotions while empathizing with others. It enables us to build strong relationships, navigate conflicts, and make sound decisions based on rational thinking and empathy. In summary, by incorporating neuroscience-backed strategies into our lives, such as setting clear goals, adopting a growth mindset, cultivating discipline, embracing continuous learning, nurturing creativity, managing risk and reward, and practicing emotional intelligence, we can train our minds to excel in various areas of life. These practices not only support financial success but also foster personal growth, resilience, and overall well-being. Wake up!